Showed me on the area, the as per the plan. They showed me a part of Socorro, Canada, France, Sangolda. That's it. Not even Mapsa city is covered. Whichever areas are, not even my areas are covered. But these areas are shown as proposed. So that's it's a situation which I can't understand how this has happened in Aldona constituency in our area, and we have kept out when it was when I've been bringing the assembly last tenure, this tenure that we require an STP plant. Even I've spoken to Mr. Chanju Desai, who is the vice chairman of the STP corporation. I even spoken to him. But I was taken a surprise. My people more agitated when they saw something, when all the metal was dumped there. Like for example, कडी त्यांनी घातलेले आणि पाईप घातलेले त्यांना तुरंत युटर्न सोमते म्हणजे घरान सोमते ऑप्शन आले सर कितना चलला कितना करतो तो. So then when I went deep into it, this is what I realized, and I told them nothing doing. Work cannot start until I got a clear picture as to what is happening in the plant, which area is being covered, and give me proper reason, and then we'll take the call on it accordingly. A few others were there. So I said, you give me a plan. You give me a plan, and let me have a look as to which areas are covered and proposed. But it was quite shocking to know that my areas are kept out and other areas are coming in. Say, I'm not against development. I'm not against development, but when my own areas are kept aside and other areas are brought in, the people have strongly objected. I am also objecting, and also the council is objecting. This cannot happen. So I have asked them for a clear-cut details, A to Z. I have given them the list. I want to know all the details black and white. And secondly, when this plant had come here, people had opposed tooth and nail because it was coming to Akue, Kaman Kasam. So that time, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Francis D'Souza, who's the Minister of Urban today, with all the people, he shifted to this area with the intention all the Mapsa city, all the wards should be covered up. But in spite of that, I think it's 5.4 MLD. 5.0 old, which is already there, which is commissioned first. Not a commission which is being built, the plant. But there are certain areas Mapsa city is not covered. So again, I've asked them yesterday. I had a meeting yesterday again with JICA. Contractor was there, the engineer was there, Mr. Sheikh was there. I said, give me a proper detail as to which areas have been covered in the first project of STP under JICA. What is the area being covered? What is the MLD that is going to cover? What is the MLD which is there as mentioned 5.4? And what is left out? Because now they are giving different reasons to me, saying that no second plant is coming from Mapsa city because of this, but they are not clear and they have kept it in the dark. So this all the details have been given. Unless I get the details, then we'll take a call. I'll take my people into confidence, and then we'll decide accordingly what should be done with the second plant which come under STP corporation plan.
जायकाचो आमचो जो सेवरेज प्लांट आहा पळय तेज्या सायडीकूच एक सेवरेज कॉर्पोरेशनचो प्लांट येता अशें म्हणून आमकां कळ्ळें आनी म्हाका दिसता की जे थंयसले लोक आहा पळय बस्तोडा पंचायतीचे जावं आखोयचे त्या लोकांनी अपोज केल्लो आसा आमकां NOC येयल्ली तेन्ना आमी ती NOC रिजेक्ट केली आमकां कांयच हितून कांयच कन्सिडर करूंक ना कित्याक आमचो जो जायकाचो प्लांट आहा पळय तो टोटली सेपरेट आहा आनी सेवरेज कॉर्पोरेशनचो प्लांट तेंच्यांनी दुसऱ्या म्हणजे तेज्या सायडीच्या जाग्यान ओन्ली म्हणजे आतां निकतो सुरवात करताले सो तेंचें एक्विजिशन कोणी केलें गव्हर्मेंटान तांकां तेंचें प्रपोजल तें आमकां कांयच खबर ना सो एज अ म्युन्सिपालिटी आमच्या कडेन जे परमिशनाक येयलें तेन्ना आमी तेंचे रिजेक्ट केल्लें आसा